Buttered corn, a beloved holiday side dish. Buttered corn is a popular holiday side dish for several reasons, making it a favorite among many during the holiday season. Comforting and familiar, the holidays are a time when people often seek comfort and tradition. Buttered corn is a classic dish that invokes feelings of nostalgia and warmth. Its familiar taste and simplicity make it a comforting addition to holiday meals, reminding many of family gatherings and cherished moments. Versatility: buttered corn is incredibly versatile, which is a valuable characteristic during the holidays. It can serve as a delicious standalone side dish or be incorporated into various holiday recipes. Whether you're using it in casseroles, stuffing, or as a topping for meats like turkey or ham, buttered corn seamlessly complements a wide range of dishes. Ease of preparation: holiday meal preparation can be time-consuming and stressful. In the midst of juggling multiple dishes, a straightforward and quick-to-make side like buttered corn is a lifesaver. The recipe is not overly complicated, and you can have it ready in no time, allowing you to focus on other intricate and time-consuming aspects of your holiday feast. Family-friendly appeal: buttered corn is a family-friendly side dish loved by both adults and children. Its mild, slightly sweet taste appeals to a wide range of palates, making it a safe bet for pleasing all your holiday dinner guests, including picky eaters. Balance of flavors and textures: the combination of sweet corn and rich, creamy butter creates a delightful balance of flavors and textures. The sweetness of the corn complements the richness of the butter, resulting in a harmonious and indulgent side dish that pairs well with more savory elements of the holiday meal. Seasonal availability: depending on where you live, fresh corn may be in season during the holidays. Using fresh, locally sourced corn can enhance the flavor and quality of the dish, adding a touch of seasonal authenticity to your holiday feast. Colorful presentation: the bright yellow kernels of buttered corn add a burst of color to your holiday plate, making it visually appealing and contributing to the overall festive atmosphere. Buttered corn's popularity as a holiday side dish can be attributed to its comforting, versatile, and family-friendly nature, as well as its ease of preparation and the way it complements the flavors and textures of a traditional holiday meal. It's a classic dish that brings a sense of tradition and warmth to the holiday table, making it a beloved choice for festive occasions. Nostalgia and tradition: buttered corn is a classic dish that has graced holiday tables for generations. Its comforting and familiar taste can evoke fond memories of family gatherings, making it an essential part of any holiday feast. Versatility: buttered corn is incredibly versatile. You can serve it as a side dish or incorporate it into casseroles, stuffing, or even as a topping for turkey or ham. Its adaptability ensures that it complements a wide range of holiday dishes. Ease of preparation: holidays can be hectic, with a lot of dishes to prepare. Buttered corn is a simple and quick recipe that won't add to your kitchen stress. You can have it ready in no time, allowing you to focus on other holiday preparations. 4 cups of corn kernels, fresh, frozen, or canned. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, optional, for a touch of sweetness. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Start by melting the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the corn kernels to the skillet and stir them in the melted butter. If you're using frozen corn, you can cook it directly from the freezer. It will thaw and cook through in the skillet. Cook the corn for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes tender and starts to brown slightly. Reduce the heat to low, and pour in the heavy cream. Stir to combine it with the corn and butter. Season with salt, pepper, and sugar, if using, and continue to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. Once the corn is tender and the cream has thickened, remove the skillet from the heat. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley for a pop of color and extra flavor. Serve the buttered corn hot and enjoy.